corn on the cob, mustard and collards, cornbread from scratch, candy yams, and fried chicken. Southern fried. Did that. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. What is up? Back to my channel. This is Devo with the vlogs. Make sure you like and subscribe. So you guys, in this video, it was a cooking video. It was dated back when, but it's still a good cooking video because some of you guys probably need help or advice in the kitchen on how to cook some things, what to put in them, what to have at your home as a stapler. But yeah, in this video, I just cooked a little some southern hospitality type food. And also, after this video, after the cooking portion, this will be a, what is it? My cousin Kalila went on a little trip and she had a little fun. So I'm gonna post some videos from there. I asked my aunt to send me, Aunt Angela to send me. So I'm gonna post some videos from there. You guys see what all she did and everything, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into the video. I forgot to ask you how you guys doing today. Comment down below. What did you cook today? Also comment down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post. And like this video for more videos. Thanks for watching. Now let's get into the video.
Eventually.
So here we have some collard greens, you guys. I'm gonna add some more water to the pot. But I got some fat back and some bacon. That fat back, you guys, it do the trick. If you don't know about fat back, I suggest you try it out. Put in a lot of boiled vegetables. But this fat back and these greens, get some of this. This is a staple, you guys. You already know. Chicken flavor bouillon. I get it from the Spanish store in my area. It's cheaper that way. But this is so good. You should already have it in your house. Got a little tongue twisted. Some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Just a tad, because it's a high content of salt. And pork has a what? High content of salt. Some crushed red pepper flakes. Now this is optional. I just do it to give it color. And my dad loves red pepper flakes in his greens, you guys. But it's optional. And this great green seasoning. We haven't always had this, but Silver Dollar had it, so let's not give it a go. I did a little sprinkle because I don't know what it tastes like. Some chopped onions. I have regular onions I want to chop up in there too, but put some of this in there too if you don't have onions. I put a lot of that because it's flavor. Now this right here is a stapler too, some onion soup mix. I can't find it in Dollar Tree no more hardly because people have been buying it out, and I guess they don't make it anymore, but this is a stapler too. I put a little bit of that in there. Make sure your greens season good. They want no nasty greens. They ain't got no flavor. Like I said, I got some chopped onions. I got this when it was on sale. I think it was 10 for 10. So I saved myself time, you guys. I ain't had to chop up no onions today. Ain't wrong with that. Ready to get out the hot kitchen with all this steam. Have you guys ever been too tired to eat after you finish cooking? Comment down below, because I be like that sometimes. I do a lot of cooking. Then when it's time to eat, I don't really eat because I be too tired and I don't feel like eating at the moment. But I'll come back, you guys. I always come back. I hope you guys feel like that. Comment down below. Right now, I'm just going to mix it up. Let's mix it up. Moving on. Now they're boiling. I'm going to add some bacon grease. What y'all know about that bacon grease? Some of y'all probably think you go to the store and get bacon grease. But that's definitely not the case. Bacon grease just comes from when you fry bacon in the pan and you just have grease left over. You put that in a container. That's what you're flavoring too. In the Southern household, Char Michael have bacon grease. If you have bacon grease, comment down below. But yeah, stirring that up. Moving on to the cornbread. We're gonna move right onto the cornbread. Now, I've already mixed it up. I've already did a cornbread recipe on my previous video, so I'm not gonna show it again. But yeah, it's from scratch. Ain't no Jiffy cornbread. Now I'm making my batter or mixture for my chicken that I'm gonna fry. I have flour that I'm putting into the Ziploc bag. I found it's easier to put it in a Ziploc bag than to put it in the bowl, because you put it in a Ziploc bag, you can shake, and get all that flour and stuff coated on your chicken. Not just chicken, your fish as well. As I put my flour in there, People the container. We reusing things right here, especially some good and heavy duty containers. What y'all know about that? Reusing them ice cream buckets to put flour and meal in. Cover down below if you that southern. I'm putting some Tony Sashry Creole seasoning up in here. A little, not a lot, because this has a what? A high content of salt. I'm putting some adobo seasoning. I don't usually do this, but I'm going to put it in there today because I couldn't find my go-to seasoning. I think this has a high content of salt as well, so I didn't put that much. And some garlic powder. You got to have garlic powder. You got to have garlic powder. Throw that on up in that bag. Ain't no mess, you guys. We ain't use no bowls or nothing. And then when you finish, save that bag of flour mixture before you can put chicken in it again and fry up some more chicken. Now parsley, I put it in there for color. Make your chicken look nice and pretty. You just as optional. It ain't got no taste, but it's for color. And you know, if you twist that little shaker thing on the top of your parsley or any seasoning, it comes out way faster. I learned that hack on TikTok. See, like I'm doing it. I'm shaking. I'm twisting the I guess it's I don't know what it's called, but I'm twisting that. It comes out way faster than just shaking it like a bat out of Dodge. You got some pepper, I bat out. Every time I use this pepper shaker, it get bat out. It's sad. But yeah, I'm gonna shake that up, mix it up. I ain't stressing or nothing. We're keeping it simple, not complex. A little bit more Tony Sashry. I guess my ancestors be telling me when to stop pour season this. Have you ever guys heard that phrase? Got my chicken. I can't tell you what I put in my chicken, you guys, because if I tell you that, your chicken be trying to taste like mine. People be saying, oh, you got some good chicken. Oh, and they're going to think you made the recipe when it's my recipe. So I can't do that, you guys. I can't do that. I'm going to gatekeep that. And I'm sure y'all got some recipes y'all gatekeep. Meaning y'all keep to yourself because, you know, nobody else can do it like you. Shake. Wipe away your inner. How you gonna bring wipe away your what? Wipe away your inner. I don't know what it is. Let me get this bacon grease out this oven. Let's make some bacon grease with butter. From my cornbread, I put it in the oven on 350 degrees, let it melt. Now this will give you a cornbread that flavor. That good flavor. Not no dry cornbread with no flavor. Put some bacon grease in it. So that's why I say always have bacon grease. It's a stapler in the southern household. But yeah, I'm gonna mix some of it up in my cornbread to give it more flavor. I left some in my pan so it won't stick when it comes out. And give you that crisp edge that you want when you're cornbread. Now this cornbread goes into the oven for 250 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you're going to put it on broils to give it that nice golden top. Then when it comes out, quickly spread some butter on the top. You should know this already if you're a southerner.
A few moments later.
Remember how I told you guys in the previous vlog, I like to get everything come together at the same time so nothing will be cold. My green looking good and almost ready. I did some yams, they canned, so I just doctored them up. So put on the cob, put some butter in that water, let them boil for a couple minutes. Now let's move on frying the chicken. We're gonna fry this chicken up. Dairy don't burn chicken. My grease was a little too hot, but hey, I turned it down anyway. You don't want to overcrowd your pan because if you overcrowd that pan, you guys, the chicken won't be cooked all the way through and it'll be soggy. So cook it nice and slow. If you're thinking cooking chicken is a fast process, you got the wrong process. So you guys, chicken gets about ready. And then my brother took over for a while, so I had to do some things. But excuse me, the chicken is still cooking. Got the wings in now. Corn done. Greens done. Yo, I'm gonna say the greens mustard and collard mix. Yeah, but that's warming back up. Cornbread done. Just just cornmeal, cornbread. You guys, today's Thursday, March 16th. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well, alive and well, and thinking positive thoughts only in 2023. But yeah, I decided to do a little cooking video, so I haven't did one in a while. Just some fried chicken, mustards and collard greens mixed, candy yams, the canned kind, because I ain't feel like chopping them up and doing all that stuff this time. But if I did yams, you guys, it would be the other way around, the southern way, and only in my family knows this way. But that's why I'm not gonna get a recipe out, because it's so good, so good, yeah. Yes, you are. Oh, I was thinking Lord Real Good by Israel New Breed, but if you know about this song, comment down below. We sing it at church all the time in the choir, but yeah. And yeah, corn on the cob too, so, and cornbread. So finna get into it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post. And if you're not getting the notifications, you have to click the notification bell again and click all notifications. Click the link, click the one that says all notifications to get all my notifications. And comment down below what's the best thing on this meal in this video. Corn on the cob, mustard and collards, cornbread, scratch, candy yams, and fried chicken. Southern fried, to be exact.
Meanwhile.
Why did it hit you? Oh, get in there.
Try not to let it knock you down. I'm backing back like I'm in there.
Run.
Uh-oh. Come on. Good dodge.
Now jump. Yeah, jump over. Now jump over there. Jump. Wait. Now jump. Jump. Watch out.
Here it come.
Get there. Jump. Okay, jump. Get in there. Jump.
There you go.
Get ready to jump. That way, jump. Turn around the other way.
Now you gotta jump. There you go.
You gotta jump up. What? Let she go.
Go, Kalila, you can do it, go.
I can't reach it. Go.
Go on, Kalila. Kalila.